There you have it, folks. You are looking at the busy street of 8th Avenue South. That should be a big hint as to where we are today for our Saturday park adventure. What's good, people? We are back for another Saturday park adventure. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our adventures, and keep coming back here every Saturday for a new one. Today, where are we? I gave you one hint. 8th Avenue South is right in front of this park. This is the Reservoir Park. Right now, I am standing in their tennis court. Nice, is well kept. I don't see too many people coming to this park, and honestly, you'll probably piece together why. I mean, it's pretty much open fields and courts, so it's great for anyone who is really into recreational activities. This park is a little different because it's hard to get to. A bunch of alleys surrounding it, and it's off of a busy street. There's no entrance from 8th Avenue. You actually have to come down to the next street off of Wedgwood. They have a couple of full-size basketball courts. I've made it over to this one, so I'm gonna flip this over and show y'all it real quick. Plenty of goals, well kept. We just came from that tennis court, so short walk in between. You cross an alley to get to this basketball court, but it's pretty much like this day in and day out. So if you down to shoot, want to get in some alone time on the court, do some workouts and practices, Reservoir Park has you covered. 8th Avenue South is a popular street here in Nashville. That's where a lot of people go to eat, party, have a great time. So again, this park is located about 5 minutes out from downtown Nashville. So it's another centrally located park. So you can always just ride up the street, man, and get into some stuff. I don't do that per se, because I mean, I really don't care for our downtown. I'll be 100 with y'all. But if you into that, no shame here, everybody welcome. This is a shot of that alley I was referencing to, but then you can walk to the end of it, and it's gonna lead you directly to these fields. So if you have a dog, man, or even a cat, as I've been seeing people walk those lately, bring them out here, let them get in some mileage, you get in some mileage, and walk your way to this second part of the park. Now, when we first came in, I showed y'all the entrance. Pretty much that's the only parking they have. I'm sure people use like street parking if it fills up. I don't see this park really getting that busy, so that parking is enough for most visitors. It's remote, so if you like a long time, you don't want to be bothered, come out here, man. You got open fields and a ton of courts to use. Just a little bit of rules about the park, man. You got to take care of it. As you can see, it's one of the cleaner parks we have. I haven't seen too many issues. Another alley right there. We're gonna go down this way. Beautiful tall trees, like, man. Here's the second basketball court. So it looks like they do have a gazebo or picnic shelter or something. So I'm gonna walk up here to see it, see if it's well kept or if it's something that is just pretty much falling off. We up here now. Looks like it done fell off, y'all. Still beautiful, beautiful space for someone to enjoy this park. Behind it though, look like there's a chimney right there. That's interesting. I mean, this park needs a little bit of renovation. No lie, it could be much nicer. Like somebody may be camping back here, y'all. We're gonna leave that alone, and I'm gonna walk us further down and we're gonna see what's behind here. But yeah, all of this space. So that's that sidewalk continuing back through here. Oh, it's not a bad park, y'all. I don't ever come over here, so it's actually my first time visiting this park. So we're gonna go to this next part up here, and then we're gonna call it. Get to Reservoir Park if you need some peace and a ton of trees to lay under. I won't say you can hang a hammock without a hammock stand, because I haven't seen any trees that I think will qualify for that, but who knows, maybe I'm missing something. So come out here and see it for yourself. So it looks like they have about 4 benches up there under that gazebo, and then another sign. So this must be another way to enter the park. And then you have the actual playground area. So that is it for this Saturday park adventure, y'all. We are about to head out. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week. Remember, check back here every week for a new one, and make sure you have subscribed. Share this with someone who may appreciate this type of content, man. It's all about promoting good health. Get out, guys. Enjoy your greenways. Enjoy your state parks wherever you are. Take in a little bit of nature. Be sure to share the experience with someone else. Be blessed in every day that God gives you. Your life is full of purpose. Until next time, y'all. Deuces.